Well, the culvert is off the road and rolled into place. And we've got all of this pit run wedged up against the side. We're going to need 2 more truckloads filled with this pit run, at least 2 more truckloads, and I'll be using it anyways to build up. I have to build up the driveway. It's sitting higher than what I was thinking. But we couldn't, it was sitting in water still the way it was. So we're gonna have to, there'll be a hump, but it's okay because it actually goes upwards that way. So there won't really be so much of a, I don't think there'll be so much of a hump because again, it's gonna slope upwards towards, if you look from the road is lower than where that is. So we'll have this upward slope, which will help. It won't have to be like a hump because that needs to be higher over there. If you can't tell, but if you look at where that is and you come across, it's much higher, but the road is lower. So, we'll figure it out how it's going to go in, but you can see all the water here. But it's now sitting in the sand and it's good. These guys are great. And he said, give him $20. He said, I said, for your fuel, the fuel and your time. He says, $20. I said, how about I'll give you, because he said hour for an hour. I said, well, you were here more than an hour. He says, yeah, but we were talking, we were going in the woods, you were showing me the trail. I said, okay, well, I'll give you 2 hours worth, I said. He was happy about that. So I'm going to give him $40. It would have cost me a lot more to get somebody else out here. So that was amazing. This family is amazing. So thank you to them if you watch this.